Hello everyone, welcome to another Capcut tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to fix your lag on PC. So when you're using Capcut on your PC, it's lagging. Now for most people, it's lagging. Now what you can do is, there is a simple solution for this. So as you can see right here, here are some possible reasons why Capcut is lagging and dropping frames. Your computer may not be powerful enough to handle the editing. Now that can be one thing, right? The second thing, it can be that you're using too many effects and transitions, which can strain your computer's resources. That can also be the case. Guys, if you are using Capcut, if it's constantly lagging, and if you are having too many projects, make sure to delete some of the projects. Now that's one thing or one tip that I can give you. Now the second tip is that there might be a bug in the Capcut software. This can happen occasionally. What I would do in this case is I would go and contact support. Now, this is not the only solution. As you can see, I was researching on Reddit. This was 3 years ago, but this still works today. As you can see right here, this person in Capcut, when they play the video to see how it looks, it lags at the start of every clip. Now, this is on PC. Now, as you can see, what you can do right here is deleting drafts, fix the lag completely. Simple as that, but that genuinely worked. Thanks, man. As you can see, basically, if you go and delete the drafts, it will fix the lag completely. Now, this will, again, depend on what your core problem is. It might be your computer. If it's in the Capcut, if you already have a good computer, if it's in the Capcut, make sure to contact the support and tell them what you're experiencing. Because again, if you're using Capcut, even if you're using a pro version, you can go and just contact support. They will be able to help you out with that. So yeah, hopefully guys, we'll solve this issue, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.